gate to Pyro Nick's grandmother's farm. Don't have the keys, so I'm not really going on the property. I mean, everything I'm showing is from a road or driveway. There's the house way out there. This is the top half of the field. And way out over there is where we normally launch, on top of the hill, and it drops down. All right, here's a picture of our launch site. We normally launch up there on top of the hill. The cars normally park down here. That's the party area. Well, that's pretty much the launch site. Normally, like I said, we shoot right up there on top of the hill. Good vantage point. But as you see, we got plenty of room.